I have earned the most money I have ever earned online in one day with a multiple income funnel. Hi, I'm Carol Rivet, and thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel. This is what I'm going to talk about today. This incredible funnel system, the multiple income funnel, converts warm traffic, converts cold traffic. Warm traffic is just simply people that know you, that are familiar with you, that trust you, that join you. Cold traffic is people that don't have a clue as to who you are. They just come to the funnel because it has what what it's offering. Okay, this converts. As I said, I've been network marketing for years, and I have earned. Yesterday actually was the day that I earned the most I have ever earned online in one day. So I'm very excited about this. So let's jump in and take a look. Okay, this is my multiple income funnel back office. You can see April 21st. This is April 22nd. There's a $180 commission and two $20 commissions. Plus, let me take you over here. This is a commission right here from Traffic Authority. That is the fourth income stream with Traffic Authority. Now, if you add those up, that income comes to over $312. That was in one day, and it is because of this funnel. Okay, as I said, it converts cold traffic. There's four income streams inside this. The first income stream is the funnel. It's $50 a month to get the funnel, and you have the option to upgrade for annual, and so that you don't have a monthly fee. Okay, and the second and third commissions or income streams are what you choose yourself, or whatever you're in, whatever you want to put in there. If you don't have anything, you can join mine. Okay, and then the fourth income stream is what you saw, Traffic Authority, which is a traffic package. Okay, this converts, this gets leads. Let me take you to and show you some leads. Okay, this is some leads over the last few days. You can see Sunday, this was the 21st. I had a really, really good day. It was basically, it was a free post on Facebook that I made, which was just basically results oriented is what it was. And it was on leads. It wasn't even necessarily on sales. So you can see this is one of my favorite traffic resources right here too, is getting leads. There's another one. There's emails. So this is some of the traffic resources right here a few days ago. Okay, so this is this because Traffic Authority and wholesale, what you see right here, are cold traffic. Actually, most of Leads Lead too is cold traffic, but those are the traffic on Facebook. Some know me. You know, I have a small following, but you know, some just follow at a distance. So, but the rest of this is cold traffic. This funnel converts. Okay, this is it's again, it's got four income streams in it. The first one is the funnel itself. It's $50 a month. You have the other two income streams. You can add whatever you want, and the fourth income stream is Traffic Authority, a traffic source that you already need. Now, I'm new to Traffic Authority, so I'm only like 12 days into this, and I've already had a $300 day, the most I've ever earned online in one day. And this funnel is doing it. Okay, so that's my quick results for today. That's the leads, You saw the sales earlier. Very excited about this funnel. When you join, you can join the Facebook group, the team's official Facebook group, but you also get added to the team chat that I'm in. I joined with a 7-figure earner. She is incredible. Okay, so I'm very excited about this. This funnel converts, it works. You do need to work it, whether you're doing traffic authority or wholesale traffic or, one of the other ones that I have. If you push to try and do 10 leads a day, you will be so happy in this program. You really will. This funnel will work for you. Okay? So, God bless, take care, and click the link below and get started today.